The Boston Harbor Ferry System is conducting a study of passenger weights to optimize fuel efficiency and ensure proper vessel loading for their routes to the harbor islands. The weight of ferry passengers follows a normal distribution with a mean of 174.2 pounds. Let's highlight that because that's important. And it also tells us that it follows a normal distribution, which is also important. And it says the standard deviation is 52 pounds. A random sample of size 185 is selected from all passenger boarding the ferry to George's Island. We're going to round answers to the nearest hundredth. So part A says, what is the mean of the distribution of sample means? So let's write both things down here. For the population, we're told that the mean is 174.2 pounds. Now, for the distribution of the sample means, that's our M with the little sub X bar to indicate we're talking about graphing the means of a bunch of samples. If we assume that we take many, many samples of size 185, our means should be the same. So my sampling mean is going to be 174.2. This is the answer to our question. I just wanted to make sure you understood that these were the same, so I wrote them both down. For part B, it says, what is the standard deviation of the distribution of sampling means? So we're told that for the population, the standard deviation is 52. If we want to find the standard deviation for the samples, our notation looks like this. We have a sub X bar here, and we take the standard deviation from the population and divide it by the square root of the sample size. So that's going to be 52 over the square root of 185. When we round that to 2 decimal places, we get 3.82. Now, for the sake of practicing, the population notation looks like this. Right? We're talking about, when we're talking about the population, we're talking about the individual weight values of individual people. So it's going to look like this. So we have the mean, we're told, is 174.2, and the standard deviation is 52. When we're talking about the sampling distribution, so we're talking about the averages now. Our notation is going to look like this. X bar, normal, N for normal, and then the means are the same. And our standard deviation is going to be 52 over the square root of 185. And then you can round that, as we did here, as 3.82.